Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation of ecotourism industry in Malaysia. And now I would like to introduce myself. My name is Zhan with the matrix number of 67718 and I'm from Group 3 of Ecotourism Industry in Malaysia class, which is under Dr. Akmal class. Today I'm here to present my case study 3, which is the title of Ways to Reduce Negative Impact of Mass Tourism. Before I start with the ways to reduce negative impact of mass tourism, I would like to be explain about some of the definition of mass tourism. So, what is the meaning of mass tourism? According to Poon 1993, the meaning of mass tourism is the movement of many organized tourists to a popular holiday destination for recreational purposes. It is a phenomenon which is characterized using standardized packaged product and mass consumption. Next, I will be going to explain some of the negative impacts of mass tourism. These are some of the pictures of negative impacts for mass tourism. So, there are three main aspects of negative impacts for mass tourism. The first one, which is cultural. Second one, which is economic. The third one, which is environmental. For cultural, local languages may be lost as tourists tend to use international language. For example, tourists tend to use English while communication. Next, in order to provide a better tourist service, some of the traditional roles will be lost. And some of the social problems like crime or antisocial behavior might be increased. For the negative impacts of economy, loss of traditional job will be happen. The next one, which is the local citizen will have to bear the cost of investing in building roads or infrastructures. The last one, which is a place character could be changed. For environmental, as we all know, causing of congestion and pollution will be happen due to overcrowding. The next one, which is more pressure on the delicate supply of water to local people. And last one, which is destruction of nature and habitat loss. So, what are the ways to reduce the negative impact of mass tourism? The things that can be done by government is reduce the number of tourists in some area. For example, Bhutan. Bhutan have an average of 140,000 tourists visit per year due to protection of landscape and local culture. This is done by Bhutan government on reducing the number of tourists. The next one is implementation of strict law. For example, Iran. Tourists must respect their local culture like dress code, and Singapore have the law that do not simply littering while visiting to the country. The last one is preserve some area for wildlife environment. For example, Penang National Park, Malaysia. The management over there have preserved some of the area just for protection and maintain the ecosystem for the wildlife. So, what are the ways that can be done by tourists while reducing on mass tourism? The first one is visit during the off-peak periods so that they will be not causing any overcrowding. The second one is be eco-friendly and responsible traveler. Like when we enter to a country, we must respect the local culture over there. The third one is support local business. So let's come to the end of presentation, and that's all for me. Thank you.